Hey, this is mobilecellphonegeek here. Today I'm going to show you how to download minivmac on your iPod or iPhone. Alright, so first thing you're going to have to do is add one source from Cydia. So go ahead and open up Cydia. Come down here where it says Manage. Then click Sources. Click Edit and Add. Alright, so the source you're going to add is going to be in the description in case you're not following with the video. But I'm going to tell you what it is. It's called apt dot name fork dot net / iPhone, and you're just going to go ahead and add that source. I already have it, so I don't need to add it. Then you can click done up here and you're going to click on the source and you're going to download minivmac. After you have that downloaded, you're going to need to download a couple things, so go ahead and exit out of that. And first thing you have to download will be winSCH. This is basically going to allow you to SSH your device. Then the next thing is you're going to need to download is winrar. Go ahead and choose whether you're running 32-bit or 64-bit. Then the other thing you need is this is for the application, because apparently the application didn't come with the ROM file, so you're gonna have to download it manually. Now we'll show you how to add it to. So first thing you're gonna need to do on here is you're just gonna download the vMac ROM file, and make sure you're downloading for the right platform you're running. For example, I'm on Vista, so I'm gonna click on the PC column. If you're on Mac, go ahead and click on the Mac column. But anyway, go ahead and click on the link that you need. So for example, I'm going to need vmac.rom. I'm going to download that. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need one of these startup disks. Go ahead and choose any. Make sure I would choose the last one. It is the more updated version. Then again, you can choose the first one, but it's up to you. Just make sure you download in the right column. Then the next thing is, you don't have to download these. These are just applications, Mac Paint and Mac Draw. You can, if you don't want them, you don't have to get them. So then the next thing, this is optional too. Found this website where they'll give you a couple games for the program. These games, they're not the best games, but they are pretty cool, and you can show off to your friends. But anyway, once you have all this information, go ahead and save it somewhere. In my case, I extracted everything and saved it into a file called minivmac. And basically on this file, I added my SDK and my ROM file on here. So now I have it nice and saved in this folder. Then the next thing is you're going to have to open up winSCH. Go ahead and click on that, open it up. Now it's going to ask you for your host name, username, and password. Your host name is your IP address, and I'll show you how to find that. Simply on your iPod, click Settings, go to Wi-Fi, and then you're going to click this error where your network is. So click that arrow. Click on the arrow. And basically it's going to tell you your IP address. And basically once you know that, go ahead and just copy it and write it down here where it says host name. Now the next thing is going to be username. The username is always root, and your password is always alpine. I will have this in the description, so if you don't know how to spell alpine, I'll have it down in the description. And go ahead and add your IP. Now I'm going to pause the video and just give me a second. Alright, so now I'm SSHing my iPod. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you this. You are going to need to download SSH from Cydia, so go ahead and download that. Sorry about that. I'll add an annotation somewhere, but sorry about that. Anyway, once you have SSH successfully done it, go ahead and click up here. This says root. Click the first root. So it's going to take you to this little folder, options, and then you're going to click down here where it says applications. You're going to come down here and see where it says minivmac.app. You're not going to click anything, just kind of like highlight it, and now you're going to go to your folder or wherever you have your .rom file and your .dsk file, and basically you're just gonna drag and drop your files. So go ahead and drag and drop these files. You're just gonna click copy. I'm gonna pause the video so that this can go faster. Alright, after you have dragged and dropped your files, go ahead and open up minivmac.app and scroll down for those files, because you're going to need to change one thing. So for example, down here is my vmac.rom file. I'm going to left click, hit properties, and highlight and type in 7777, 4 7s, okay? And you're going to do that for that, and you're going to do that for every other one. So go ahead and find your other .dsk files. For example, the games. I'm going to hit properties, highlight 7777, click OK. Now I'm going to do this for all the files that I copied onto here. The reason you need to do this is because you're basically telling it and giving it, permission to run. Now if you don't do this, it will not work. So go ahead and do this right now, and only on those files, okay? Only in your .rom file and your .dsk file. Okay, so once you've done this, go ahead and click up here where it says refresh your page. Come down here where it says options, session, and click disconnect, and basically just exit out of the program. And now you're going to come to your iPod. Now on your iPod, what you're going to do, you're going to have to restart your springboard. You can either restart your springboard or power it off and power it back on. So I'm going to just respring. It's going to do this, and I'm going to lose connection. Give me a second. Alright, so it just respring. So now what you're going to do is go to your application. In my case, it's on my last page. Click minivmac, open that up, and you're going to get a gray screen with a little question mark down here. Now I can't show you this on this screen, but I will tell you this. You're going to have to place your two fingers, your index finger and your pointer finger. You're just going to drag on the screen, drag from the right to the left. Okay, go ahead and do that. You're going to open up this this little, I guess you can call it this little option menu. Basically you're just going to open up your DSK file. For example, it's my first one. Go ahead and open it up. Say welcome to Macintosh, and you're about done. Basically all you need to do. Now the next thing, in case you want to play a game, go ahead and find your games, click on the game. It's going to appear right here. Go ahead and double click on that. There we go. And basically all your games are going to be here. For example, I'm going to click blackjack. Okay, I'm going to open it up and just wait, and there you go. You can play the game, and yeah, basically that's all you need. That's all you need to do. Again, you can download all these games. You can also I think you can download applications. I'll give you all the links down in the description bar, and in case you miss anything, it will all be written in the description bar as well, so you can pause the video and just ignore me and read the description instead. Again, if you have any questions, PM me or leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and rate. And I will be doing the Modern Warfare 10 Prestige hack maybe in the upcoming days. I'm still waiting for my USB to arrive, but as soon as that arrives, I will be recording and showing you guys how to do that. I'm going to be only doing it on the PS3. I hear it works the same for Xbox. So until then, we'll see you guys later, and watch my other videos. So peace and sub me.